So now is the final step. Run the VM and fix any problems. So we installed the Kali Linux 64-bit installer image VM in the previous lecture. Now let's boot it and just make sure everything's okay. I know it will be, don't you? Okay, so we'll log in with the username and password that you set during the installation. And welcome back. All right, so let's take a quick look at the menu of the default XFCE desktop environment. And it is here in the upper left-hand corner, and these are the default tools of Kali. So first of all, let's open up a terminal screen and switch the user to the root account. And then this way we don't have to write the sudo command every time. And look at the IP address assigned by the VM. So let's ping a remote system. For example, Google DNS 8.8.8.8 to check the internet connection. We receive the packets, no packet loss, and we have internet connection now. So just to double check, I open the web browser and visit any website on the internet. And it's okay now. If you are having problems with an internet connection, just check the solutions mentioned, Kali from VMware image, step 3, and that should help you fix the problem. Now, what about the local area network? Can the Kali 64-bit VM see the other systems in the same network? So I'll ping the Kali VMware machine, the IP 222. And here are the packets, so everything's okay. And that means we're ready to hack. Again, to double check, I'll go to the Kali VMware machine and ping the Kali 64-bit. Now, what was the IP of the Kali 64-bit machine? Here, it's 133. Okay, so now I'll just go to the Kali VMware machine and ping 133. And sure enough, everything is okay. I love it when everybody talks to each other error-free.